Welcome to Shareability Uganda. Once again, my name is Kaziwa Pius. In our continuation of the topic, our environment, we shall continue with our subtopic, weather changes around us. And today we shall be looking at cloud cover and so on. What is cloud cover? Cloud cover is the amount of sky covered with clouds. Let us look at the types of clouds. We have cirrus cloud, we have stratus, cumulus, and we have nimbus clouds. Nimbus is the type of cloud that gives us rain. Characteristics of clouds: they are made up of moisture condensed with water and temperature. They are hair-like, that means they are very light. And lastly, like clouds, as we all know, clouds give us produce rainfall. There's a new term called nephrology. Nephrology is basically the study of clouds. Advantages of clouds. Clouds serve as barriers for heat moving both in and out of the Earth's atmosphere. Clouds help absorb dust formed at the Earth's surface. They also help store water in form of rainfall. Humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapor present in the air. The amount of water vapor present in the air. We know air is not just dry air, it contains some drops of water, and that the presence of water or water vapor in the air is what we call humidity. The instrument used to measure humidity of an area is called a hygrometer. A hygrometer is an instrument used to measure humidity. Advantages of humidity: moderate humidity levels can help prevent damage to wooden furniture and floors or to our furniture. Humidity is essential for the growth and development of plants as it helps maintain moisture levels necessary for photosynthesis and transpiration, which enables our crops to grow and to look healthy and therefore produce high yields during harvest. Let us look at another element of weather, which is wind. Wind is the movement of air on a large scale, usually from areas of high pressure to areas of low pressures. Instruments used to measure wind are the windsock, which is used to measure the speed and direction of wind. We also have a wind vane, which is specifically used to determine the direction of the wind. Advantages of wind. Wind is used domestically to dry clothes. You see in some areas where the sun, or at times where the sun is not shining well and the wind is blowing, it can be used to dry our clothes. Wind is used for seed dispersal, and also it acts as a pollination agent. It helps very much in self-pollination of flowers in flowering plants. Atmospheric pressure is also another element of weather. Atmospheric pressure is the pressure exerted by the weight of the atmosphere. Causes of atmospheric pressure. The pressure of the atmosphere is created by the gravitational attraction of the earth on the gases in the atmosphere. As we all know, or we must know that the atmosphere is made up of a mixture of gases: oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, etc. Therefore, the gravitational attraction of the earth on that on the atmosphere or on the mixture of those gases that make up the atmosphere is what we term as atmospheric pressure. And the instrument used to measure the atmospheric pressure or the pressure of the atmosphere is called a barometer. A barometer is the instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure. Then we have temperature. Temperature, the degree or the level of hotness or coldness of an object or a human body. The instrument used to measure the temperature is called a thermometer. We have two types mainly of thermometers. We mainly have two types of thermometers. We have the clinical thermometer, which is mainly used to measure the temperature of the human body, and we have the laboratory thermometer, which is the type of thermometer used to measure the level of coldness or hotness of objects in the laboratory or other chemicals or objects. A clinical thermometer is a thermometer, like I said, used to measure the temperature of the temperature or the level of coldness or hotness of the human body. And we have in the picture below, we have the structure of the clinical thermometer. It has an expansion chamber. This helps in case the temperatures are high and the mercury has risen to the full level of the capillary tube. So the expansion chamber helps to reserve that mercury. And then we have the constriction or the keying that prevents the backflow of mercury during expansion. The bulb is where the mercury is reserved at when the thermometer is not in use. Then the scale is the numerical. It is the numerical, like it shows the level at which the temperature is. It is the numerical indication of what the temperature or the level of hotness or coldness is at. We have other forms. This kind of thermometer is the analog type of thermometer, and then this is the digital type of clinical thermometer. It is not a pen as it appears. It kind of looks like a pen, but it is a digital clinical thermometer. We have another type of thermometer which is called the maximum and minimum thermometer. It is used in a registering thermometer it is a registering thermometer that can record the maximum and minimum temperatures reached over a period of time. For example, after 24 hours. It is mainly used to record the extremes of temperatures at a location or at a given area. This is the structure of the maximum and minimum thermometer. It has the side for measuring the maximum and the side for measuring the minimum temperature. Liquids used in thermometers and reasons why they are used. The main liquid used in the maximum and minimum thermometer and then the clinical thermometer is mercury. Why is it used? Is because mercury expands and contracts easily with the changes in temperature. At a small change in temperature, the mercury is able to expand. Even at higher changes in temperature or slightly decreasing temperatures, mercury will decrease, therefore helping us determine the temperature of an object or a human body. The normal body temperature of the normal body temperature is 37 degrees on a Celsius scale, and it is 96 or 99 on a Fahrenheit scale. That was it for this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting Shareability Uganda, and if this is your first time, please consider subscribing to our channel so that you will be notified, or when a new or a latest video is uploaded to our channel. Thank you for supporting Shareabilities. Those in our Shareability WhatsApp groups, please continue sharing educational materials. Thank you for watching. Be blessed. I remain yours, Kaziba Pius.